The ingenious DuraFon SIP cordless phone system is the industry's first durable, long-range SIP cordless phone. For companies that require reliable, long-range communications over large areas or in harsh environments, DuraFon SIP delivers industry-leading range, durability, and reliability in a flexible multi-mode communications platform that provides users with the lowest total cost of ownership in the industry. DuraFon SIP is a premise mobility communication solution that features Ingenius's high-power, easy-to-deploy, single-cell technology to provide clear, reliable communications over large areas such as resorts, campuses, warehouses, and high-rise hotels. The extraordinary range of the DuraFon SIP system reduces the amount of equipment required, resulting in a faster deployment and lower capital expense. The DuraFon SIP handset is designed to withstand the rigors of harsh commercial environments, such as industrial plants, oil and gas fields, and expansive agricultural properties. Like the other members of our popular and proven DuraFon family, these handsets are built to take a beating. DuraFon SIP is the most versatile cordless SIP phone system in the industry. Unlike other solutions on the market, DuraFon SIP can support both PSTN and SIP functions and provides users with multiple communication capabilities that allow instantaneous communication to increase efficiencies and minimize response times.